In this video, we're going to show you how you can comment a photo on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for even more content. TikTok recently introduced a feature that lets you comment on videos using photos. It's a super fun way and creative way to keep people engaged. To use it, go ahead and open up the video that you want to comment on. I'm going to go ahead and just choose this video that was first on my For You page. And then simply tap the comments icon to open up the comment section. If your keyboard isn't open, you're going to see a photo icon in the bottom right. If the keyboard is open, look just above it and tap the photo icon there. I'm going to click it just like so, and it's going to pull up my gallery. Simply select the photo that you would like to use, and then either go ahead and caption or put a message on it and hit post. But that's it. You can now comment photos on TikTok. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a good day.